I'm at 34 weeks right now. Tumesema tuko 34 weeks, tutakuwa tunaenda na nyinyi hadi time ya delivery, hadi kanungo. Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Kama uja subscribe. Goja what? Anyways, I know I don't post this often, but I'm at 34 weeks right now. Na nataka to walk with you guys from 34 weeks up until nijifungue. Alright? So for today, I will be doing laundry for baby's clothes. It's very important to wash all the clothes before baby anze kuvaa. Usivalishe mtoto nguo zikiwa mpya vile zilikuja kutoka kwa shop. So I just sorted them out, and then I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to do the laundry for the clothes. Yeah, come with me. Let me first show you the clothes vile ziko. So these are all the clothes that I have for now. Nimezi sort. I was just counting what I have. So these are the tops and the onesis. Hizo ni pia to tops, to sweater-ish, rompers, trousers, kofias, socks, mittens, baby wash clothes and bibs. And then these are the blankets and blah blah blah. Yeah, so easy nazo, but I'm going to like wash them white candle you get. Yeah, so come with me as we wash baby's clothes. So easy ndio soap nitakuwa nikitumia Star Soft Sunlight na Sunlight Bar. From my research niliona at least hizi hazina too much chemicals and pia fragrance si nzito. So for these stars in Star Soft naeka tu kidogo, not so much, kidogo. Pia for Sunlight kidogo tu. Ooh, that was a lot. Anyway, and then I'm using hot water, not too hot. Yeah, nitaweka inini kupoesha. So basically that's the soap that I'm using. So hapa nimesoak for like 15 minutes. The white clothes ndo nimeanza nazo. Haya basi, basically that's what I've used. Star Soft, Sunlight na hii bar soap ndo natumia ku hand wash. I don't know if you guys can see, but hapa kwenye nimeanika kuna giza kidogo, but anyway, those are the clothes. Oops, alafu hakuna space, so I can't. But anyway, yeah. Give me another side view. There we go. That's how hivyo ndio ziko. There's so many. Yeah. Yes guys, that is how I did my laundry. So next nitakuwa nikifanya nesting. Nesting ni kwenye nesting ni kupanga nguo za baby vile zinafaa kwa. And I got a very cute wardrobe from Mini Mingle Baby World shop. Bruh, It is so cute. I can't wait to start kunjaing those to go na kuzipanga. Literally everything that I'm getting right now, other than from baby shower, vitu zenye sikuwa nazo zenye sasa napata sasa, I'm getting them from mini mingle world baby shop. Hey, and I'm telling you, they are affordable. Anyway, check them out, by the way. If you need anything, enter to anything, they have everything zenye una need for baby. Go check them out. Anyway, I'll be showing you guys what I got from them, because of the wardrobe, it's giving. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning with me up until this time. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, share, comment for more and more and more videos. Tumesema tuko 34 weeks, tutakuwa tunaenda na nyinyi hadi time ya delivery, hadi kanungo. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video. Mwah.